Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about email marketing. What is email marketing? How does it work? The importance of email marketing. Types of email marketers. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy where you send emails to prospects and customers promoting a service or product. Its main goal is to turn prospects into customers, get more sales and conversions from your existing customers, or simply getting your website more traffic by sending updates and newsletters to your followers. How does it work? You can summarize the procedure in 4 steps. Set up and configure your email marketing system. Collect targeted emails, build email lists. Send emails. Monitor, analyze, and optimize. The importance of email marketing. Another point when comparing the other digital company marketer strategies. The following reasons should push email marketing to the top of your list. Email is the most popular mode of communication. Did you know that 99% of consumers check their email daily? Your email list, to put it differently, your account on any social media platform, may be suspended at any time and without notice. If you own your email list, nobody has the authority to take those leads away from you. Email has a high return on investment. Email has the best ROI, $42 for each $1 spent, as per Statista report. People want to see your emails. In view of that, users on ad platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, or any native ad service. In this case, they happen to see ads from people they don't know from all over the world, without expecting to see that ads. Above all, when it comes to emails, people subscribe to your list and are waiting for new content, offers, and news. Also, this is critical. Cheap emails. Did you know that you can send up to 50,000 emails for just $5? To put it in different later, I will show how you can save a lot of money from marketers, mainly if using your mail lists campaign. Simplicity and automation. Up to the present time, we have many services, for example such as MailChimp, Auber, GetResponse, and others, that make it easy to manage your email campaigns, mail lists, and everything else. Types of email marketers. To clarify, when it comes to sending emails, there are 3 types. First type, regular email marketers. To put it another way, send newsletters, promotions, or anything else that benefits your subscribers through social media, so they allow you to send them emails, and I would like to follow you. That is, say, the traditional method and digital of email marketing. Second type, cold email marketers. Look for targeted email lists. For example, CEOs of specific companies start to send a cold email attempting to convert the target prospect into a continuing customer. To emphasize, overdoing it may appear as spam. Third type, bulk mailers. That is to say, people who collect, scrape, or buy emails and start sending promotional emails, usually with affiliate links to earn a commission. In short, they are considered spammers. Note the above types to focus on different types of emails and to understand when emails are spam. In conclusion, email marketing is a strategy that sends emails to potential customers or gets more traffic to your website. To sum up, email has a 4,400% return of investment. Did you know that 99% of consumers check their email daily? Concludes, you can send up to 50,000 emails for just $5. In the same vein, there are 3 types of email marketers: regular, cold, and bulk. Tell us, what kind of email marketer are you? I hope this video is helpful and helps you to choose your email marketer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel DIGT-MARKETER to get the new tutorials.